Here's how you can pay your fee for IIM Calcutta's DigiAIM program. Go to the official DigiAIM program page. Confirm you are on the correct page. Scroll to the bottom and click Start your application. You will be redirected to the registration screen. Start by clicking Login on the portal. Enter your email and password to log in. If you don't remember your login details, open your inbox and search for the email titled Account Details with Leadup Universe. Scroll to the bottom. Your credentials will be listed there. Copy and paste to log in. If the email doesn't work, you can request your credentials from the accounts team or your assigned advisor. After logging in, you can save your password for future use. Once inside the dashboard, you'll see a payment button. It may appear as Pay Admission Fee, Pay Tranche 1, Pay Tranche 2 or Pay Tranche 3, depending on what's due. Click Pay Fee, choose your preferred payment method and complete the transaction. That's it. Your payment is successfully completed. Thank you for being part of the DigiAIM journey.